you guys how amazing it is to finally be driving the BRAP Bunny on the roads on the daily. It's so amazing, and this is the exact reason why I decided to do my very first street build, so that I can get in something, live it every single day, and just have a blast all the time. And that's exactly what's happening with this car. So it's making me so happy, and it's really cool to see footage of the car driving on the highway. I know you guys keep tagging me when you see me around town, so keep that up, because I think it's funny, and I love seeing her out on the highway, because I really am the only person that drives this car, so I never really get to see what it looks like out in the wild. As you can tell, we are back in my shop. I've freaking missed this place. We haven't been here, so we've been doing a lot of the work at Entice Motorsports at John's shop. So we are here. We still have a lot of organizing to do. We've been moving a lot of the parts that we had at John's shop for the 3-rotor back in here. Kind of just threw them all on the shelf. Here is my goat cart that I don't think you guys even know that I've had. It was in storage for the longest time. I actually got this when I was training for Global Rallycross. It was really, really good to get seat time in between races, but I want to get it back running again. It's such a dope cart. This thing hauls, it can go over 100 miles per hour. It's amazing for track time training, and that's what I'm trying to get this year, a lot of seat time and track time. So this thing is going to be up and running very, very soon. This is a 125cc TAD cart. It's so much fun. What am I doing? I know, I've had it forever. Why isn't it running? I don't know. Don't have a good excuse for you, but it's gonna get running soon. We're putting some signs up. This is our tire area. And as you can tell behind me, the BRAP Bunny is on the lift, because today we are installing some more BRAP Bunny parts. I've had some amazing custom rotors for this car from R1 for a while now, so I can finally put them on. Honestly, I didn't even know customizing rotors was a thing. They had the coolest idea of what to put on them. So let me just show them to you. Extra rotors you've ever seen, which means they're perfect for the BRAP Bunny. So I absolutely love them. Shout out and huge thank you to R1. I didn't even know this was a thing. I absolutely love it. I think they're going to look amazing behind the rotiform. There's so much space in here that you're really going to be able to see it. So I'm so excited. That is what I'm doing today. I'm finally installing these awesome custom rotors from R1. These are so cool, look at that. Oh my gosh. I love it, I'm absolutely obsessed. I'm gonna want custom rotors on everything now. One side down, I'm gonna hurry up, put the other side on, and then move to the back. I love it. So cool. Okay, how amazing do these look? They stand out so much, even from far away. Oh my gosh, look at this. From far away, you can notice them, and I'm absolutely obsessed. Oh my gosh. It actually made a really, really huge difference. I think especially with the design of the rotiforms just being so open, I am definitely going to upgrade the calipers next. It is a complete eyesore right now, especially since with the rotors, it's pulling more attention towards the back there. If someone's gonna comment that, that's definitely on my list of what to do next, but I love it. I love them so much. I'm about to move to the rear of the car and install those, but before that, I have another treat for the BRAP Bunny. I've partnered with Havoline for this video to give the BRAP Bunny a fresh oil change with their brand new Smart Change product lineup. This is actually really awesome, and it's their new eco-friendly packaging with these boxes here. And in addition to the packaging being way more eco-friendly, you also get more product. So instead of getting traditionally the 5-quart amounts, these boxes get you 6 quarts, so you get more bang for your buck. It's about 20% more in every single box. On the side here, they have this really awesome cutout as well, so you can see where your level is at. They even re-engineered the pour spout to be faster and cleaner, so that is great as well. This is available exclusively at Walmart. The BRAP Bunny is getting spoiled today. I already actually warmed up the car for a little bit off camera, so before I move to the rear, I'm just gonna start draining the oil, so right when I'm finished with the back, I can start on my oil change. I'm gonna move to the back of the car and finish up the rotors. I didn't know this, but pieces of the tires I last corded on this car are still there. That's definitely not good. Look at that. We actually did a shoot like a few days ago at the track, and I ended up drifting this thing for the first time, like actually trying to give it. And yeah, we totally corded some tires as we were just driving on them all day, and I didn't realize that they're still here. You can see it a little better from here. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. I didn't know that was there. Well, good thing I found it now. Wow. I just did the other side off camera because there's not a lot of room on the other side of the car, but we are done, and I am just blown away with how much they stand out. Like, it makes such a big difference. And I'm sure it'll all look more dramatic when this is actually off of the lift and outside, but wow, I think we need a caliper upgrade stat. I will definitely be working on that. They look so good. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I love them. So there we go. We got all of our new rotors on. I cannot wait to see what it looks like on the ground, outside in the sun, looking great. And now the oil is all drained out as well now. So I'm just going to put the plug back in, change out the filter, and put my new Havoline Smart Change oil in the car, and we'll be good to go. say this all the time, but I'm just so happy with how this build is coming together. Just crazy that this is all in my head less than like 6 months ago, and now it is here in the real world. I'm loving everything. Shout out and thank you again to R1 Concepts for the crazy idea to have custom rotors for this car. I think it pairs together just so well with the rotiforms. There's so much space and you can really notice them, and it makes a huge difference. So next up is definitely upgrading the calipers and figuring out what color. I want to make those as well. So yeah, that is the vlog for today, and I will see you guys in the next one.